So you guys are doing a formative assessment where you're going to apply all the skills that we have been practicing, okay? The 3 things I need you to remember. Number 1, jobs that are based in the genre, okay? Each text is a different genre, and the thinking jobs are over here if you need to look at them, okay? I can move it in a second, but they're over here. Number 2, annotate your answer choice, and I'm going to show you a method to annotate your answer choice. And then number 3, just make sure you're staying organized and you're taking jobs as you read. So today is going to be a little different. Everybody's going to read the same text, and it's not a really difficult text because I want to see what you guys know, okay? Before we get started, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to scroll all the way down to the first question. All right, it says, what does the word valuable mean? Now, all I'm going to do is model how to answer this question. Model a strategy that I want you guys to use to answer this question. I have no idea if the answer is right. I have no idea if the answer is wrong. I'm simply modeling this question for you. Got it? So you guys are going to have to go back and answer it correctly if our answer choice is incorrect. So, the first thing we always want to do when we are responding to these multiple choice questions is to read the entire question. Sometimes it can be tempting to read part of the question. You need to read the whole question, and you need to read it more than once, okay? So watch what I do. Question 1 says, what does the word valuable mean in paragraph 8 of the story? So I'm going to take it in, then I'm going to read it one more time. What does the word valuable mean in paragraph 8 of the story? Okay? On our second read, we're thinking about what is the question asking us, okay? This question is asking me to define the word valuable, okay? So, one thing I always like to do, I like to rewrite the question in my own words so that it is crystal clear that I understand what the question is asking me. This question is asking me to define the word valuable within the context of paragraph 8. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll back to paragraph 8. I find paragraph 8. It says, please, he said, help me find my bag. There's something very valuable in it. Okay, then I start thinking about clues. The first clue I see, he's asking please. The second thing I see is that he needs help with a task. The last thing I see is the word valuable. I am thinking that now I know that that word must mean there's something important in the bag or expensive in the bag because I know what the word valuable means. Okay, so I'm going to write over here, important.
Don't get mad at me, okay?
Shh.
Wait.
Wait. You're interrupting. Just sit down. I'm going to write important or expensive, right? I have that response in my head, and now I'm going back down to the question. I'm writing my answer choice. It's here right now. And now I'm looking. Okay. Which words out of my answer choices most closely matches my definition? All right, so we want to read it. A, worth a lot of money. B, easily broken. C, beautiful. D, many years old. Now, I think it's pretty obvious what the answer is, right?
Yeah.
Even still, we don't want to circle that answer choice yet. We want to put a magic maybe by which letter?
M.
No, I know we're writing magic maybe is an M, but by which answer choice? Yes, we're going to put an M by that. Because the most important thing you guys can do to eliminate confusion and ensure accuracy is to analyze your answer choice. So then we're going to look at B. Easily broken. Does that match my definition?
No.
All right, so what are we going to do to B?
Cross it out.
We're going to put an X by it. Then I'm going to look at beautiful.
No.
Does that match my answer choice?
No.
I mean, some people can think something is beautiful is important, but it's not directly related, so we're going to cross that out. Last one, D, many years old. Again, it does not match my answer choice, so I'm crossing it out. I'm left with my magic maybe, I circle it, and then I move on. Everybody understand how to respond to the multiple choice questions?
Yes.
All right, so when I say go, you're going to scroll back to the top. You're going to immediately start reading, and you're just going to finish your assessment, okay? The goal today is to finish one text and all of the questions. Got it?
Got it.
Does anybody have any questions?
No.
I saw your hand. What's up?
Could you just give the first answer?
Yes. Luckily, this question was really straightforward, so yeah, we did get the first answer. That's your freebie. But now you guys have to apply what we just talked about and do it for yourself. I hope that you guys have this in your head or that you wrote the model down. Go back to the top. Scroll back up.